Hi, this video is to help you log in and also how to place your first order. Okay, so let's go in. We're gonna see this page the first time we log in. Once you put the URL here, and we're gonna go into this site right here. It says Oficina Virtual Office, and we're gonna get into this page. The second time that you log in, you'll go into this page. This part right here is for non-members, and if you're referring somebody to buy their own products and to register, they'll put your number here, but please do not give your password. If you're a member, then you'll do it right here. You put your ID, and here you will put the password. Okay, so let's get started. Put the password. And you should see your name on this side. Okay, so there's different things in here, but let's go into, this is where you place your first order. You would see when you click into this little upside down arrow, you'll see iniciar compra. That means initiate your order. Here is to look at your cart. So let's go here. If there's any specials, you'll see it. In this time we have right here is there's a special that you get 7 when you buy 3. Okay, this is a new product for weight loss. This is the one product that they use for cancer. Just want to let you know, this is a really good product. It has collagen and some other ingredients. It's very really good for you. It's very healthy. And then we have to activate stem cells. We have vitamin C. We have several things in here that might help you. Okay, so now let's say there's a special, you want to go here, you're going to click here. Once you click here, then we're going to go into the next step. So there's 4 steps. So the next one will be going into your cart, and your cart I have placed other orders. So let's kind of cancel this one right here. So when you cancel this one, once you place your order and you want to change it, then there's a little box right here that you would erase, and then you have to go and activate or update your cart. Now you have updated. If you see the price, the discount, 30% discount, the total amount of a discount, your affiliate price, your tax and percentage and the amount, and then here the total price. Okay, so 271. This does not include the shipping, because the shipping will be depending on where you're at. Okay, so now we go into the next step. So the next step, you'll see this with your address and everything else, and we'll go into the next step. You see the shipping will be right here. Next step, and you should be able to see here the price, the discount, subtotal, shipping, tax, and your total price. Okay, the next step, you make sure that your email is in here, and then you generate your order. After this, it will take you to how to pay with your credit card. Okay, I hope this helps you, and you have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.